It's Nick from Wilkins. Got a 2020 Road Glide special. We're about to do a 131 kit. We're just going to do a base run and see what kind of power it's making before we tear into it. Okay, it looks like in fourth gear we made 74 horse and 109 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, it looks like in fifth gear we made 75 horse and 112 foot-pounds of torque. Just got done installing a 131 this Road Glide. We're going to do an initial startup. We just got done doing some break-in miles on this thing, and I'm going to do some horsepower runs and see what she makes. We just got done tuning this 131. We gained 47 horsepower, which is a 63% increase. Gained 20 foot-pounds of torque, which is 27% increase. And this is 50 state compliant, and it does retain your factory warranty. What do you think?
Look at reps. I'm gonna.